Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the troubleshooting steps that an admin can do when their Salesforce is down. If their agents or users start complaining that they are unable to access their Salesforce org, then these initial troubleshooting steps will definitely help an admin. So first, as an admin, log in as that affected user and see whether you are able to reproduce that issue. If you are definitely able to reproduce the issue, then you can reach out to Salesforce support. If you are not able to reproduce the issue, if you log in as that affected user and then if it is working as expected for you, then go to next step. So the next step is check whether it is affecting only few users, like couple of users. In this case, ask them to clear their browser cache and cookies, restart their PC or laptop, reboot their Wi-Fi or internet connection, log out from VPN, or they can directly use the Ethernet cable as internet connection and see whether that also helps. If these steps are not applicable, go to next steps. So the next step is check whether the affected users are part of some specific group. For example, region. They may be as part of AMER, EMEA, or APEC, or it can be in the same country. It might be part of some specific location. In that case, definitely it might be something related to the network. Also check whether they are part of the same Active Directory group. Check with your Active Directory group team whether they are part of the same Active Directory group. Also check with your network team if you are using VPN. If you are using VPN for agents or users, then please verify whether they are part of same network group. In that case, we can easily rule out that we can easily point out that it is a network related issue. If it is not, then we can rule out your network internal team, and then you can go to next steps. The next step is check whether all the users are affected. In this case, go to status.salesforce.com. When you navigate to status.salesforce.com, you can see whether there are any ongoing incidents that are happening on Salesforce instances. In this case, there is an ongoing instance, so you can click this ID, so you can check what is the information about it. So currently these instances are affected, so you can also check whether your org instance is as part of it. In order to identify your org instance, you have to go to company information in Salesforce setup, and you should be able to see your org instance. So using this instance, you can find out whether you are affected as part of this ongoing incident. If some ongoing incidents are affecting your Salesforce users or agents, then you have to wait for this incident to be completed. If you are from a service cloud team, and if your business is highly affected, please reach out to the Salesforce team. And once your instance is not part of it, and if you feel that it is not the incident where the users are facing or affected, then go to the next steps. Okay, next, use ping command and check whether your Salesforce domain URL is reachable. This is a very important thing to do. So go to if you are using Windows, go to command prompt, or if you are using Mac, go to terminal, use ping space your domain URL. I will share my blog link in the video description for the screenshot, so you can easily refer how to run it. Next, if you have a DNS checker or a lookup tool which is supported by your company, then you can check whether your Salesforce domain URL certificate is valid and it is not yet expired. I have seen many issues mainly because of domain URL certificate. We should definitely have an reminder so that that event will pop up whenever the certificate is going to expire. So once these 7 steps are done, you might be able to resolve your Salesforce down issue. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.